Kung minsan ay hinahanap pa ang alaala ng iyong ngiti, inaamin ko na kay tagal pa bago malilimutan ito. Kay hirap nang maulit muli ang naiwan nating pag-ibig.
Poseidon, you know that I like you.
Sorry, Athena. I like someone else.
You're really beautiful, Medusa. I really like your hair. Thank you.
Hi, Medusa.
Hello, Poseidon.
Let's go to the garden.
Let's go. Look, the garden and the river is especially beautiful, isn't it?
Indeed, but not as beautiful as you, Medusa. You deserve a peace and happiness.
Thank you, Poseidon. I will cherish it always.
As I will, Medusa. As I will.
Let's go back to the temple.
Okay, Medusa.
On the wings of love, and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, the two of us together, flying high upon the wings. Just smile for me and let the day begin. You are the sunshine that lights my heart within. I'm sure that you're an angel in disguise. Come take my hand and together we will rise. On the wings of love, up and above the clouds, the only way to fly is on the wings of love. On the wings of love, only the two of us together, flying high.
Medusa! You know that I despise liars and traitors.
Let me explain.
No! From now on, your skin will become hard and scaly. Your long and silky hair will become a green snake.
Stop, Athena! Medusa! 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 What did you do, Athena?
Kay hirap na maulit muli ang naiwan nating pag-ibig. Tanggap na at natututo pang harapin ang katotohanan ito. Tuloy pa rin ang awit ng buhay ko, nagbago man ang hinig ng puso mo. Handa akong hamunin ang aking mundo pagkat tuloy pa rin.
Muntik nang nasanay ako sa aking pag-iisa.
At kaya nang iwanan ang bakas ng kahapon ko.